Page 8, dots and dashes. 3/4 time. No sharps or flats. Is it C major or A minor? Well, look at the end. Here, hard to tell, but I'm guessing it's in C major. I could be wrong, but when we get into it, you'll be able to hear the harmony. Does it sound like a C major? I mean, a lot of these, they're using 7th chords and 6th chords and whatnot, so it might sound different. It's still C major. Right hand first. Just get the notes and the fingering and all that. And the rhythm, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2. I recommend a thumb on that half note. There. This puts you in position to come up here. So when you get these patterns like that, put a thumb on that. So again, at the beginning, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. And again, a thumb on the half note. This way you're up, you can reach up to get the E flat. That is an E flat. 4th finger, crunch up, 4th finger. And now a D flat. And you can use 3-2 or 4-2 here. It's up to you on which one you want. You can put thumb on that if you want to. It doesn't matter. I just don't like using thumb on black keys if I don't have to. I got big hands, so to me it's easier to do that. It's a personal thing. Going on. 1, 2, it's a D and a G. They sound lovely. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Leave out that little note for now. We'll come back to that. And then you lift up. They're saying 2nd finger. I don't know why. Thumb would work. You can do 1-4, but go ahead and 2nd finger. But when you get to the half note, use thumb. Here, thumb on the half note. So you can reach out and get the next one. And again, thumb on the half note. That way you can reach up and get the E flat. 4th finger. We've had this before up above, but we were playing in an octave higher. It's the same, and that's really what it is for the most part. Left hand, you know a dotted half note is the same as 3/4 notes. That's 3 counts here, so it's 1, 2, 3. And it says LH legato, that means left hand legato, means connect the left hand throughout. It's not really, because you got staccatos in here too, but otherwise connect the left hand. See, if they don't give you that kind of instruction and there's nothing in the music, it's up to you what you want to do. You can interpret it any way you want. So here they're telling you, no, 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 play it legato. Okay. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then thumb on the A. And a 3rd finger, this chromatic passage, we're just using a chromatic scale fingering. That's fine. There's other fingerings we could use, but that's okay. And then the last 2 measures of the 2nd line, it's 1 and 2, 3, 1. 2, 3. Just lift up, and we do that again. That's pretty much the left hand. Put them together. And then go on. Same thing what we had before. When you can do that, then add the articulation. The staccatos and all in the sense. I'm using a nice light wrist, or you can use finger if you'd like, but but play that left hand all connected there. So and then the last 2 measures, 2nd line, connect teeth. Now you get staccato in the left hand wrist. And here you can go ahead and add that real quick little note. And play it before the beat. I play it on the beat. You can play it with it. And release it like that if you want. There's different ways of interpreting it. I prefer it on the beat. I do it real quick on the beat. And this again, staccato in the left hand. And this fingering in the left hand here is the same as up above. They don't give you the fingering all the way through. They give it to you at first, and then you have to remember it from then on. Lucky you, isn't that fun? Okay. Get the staccatos and the ornaments there. The last line, you're here. And they say a 2-1, that's fine. You can do a 2-3 if you can reach that. It's up to you on how you finger at that. There's different fingerings. I probably would do a 2-3 here, but you can do a here if you want, whichever. Then add the dynamics. You're soft at the beginning, that's the right hand. Keep the left hand out of the way. We want to hear the right hand. A little louder. A little louder. Softer. Now soft. You got soft and crescendo. I wouldn't go up to more than maybe medium soft to medium loud in it. Don't get loud here, just go up a little bit. That F sharp is where you're headed, to here. There. Like that. Again. And you see the decrescendo there? Hold it, and then you're soft. That's the right hand. The left hand is very soft. When the hands get close together like that, you got to really have a lot of difference in dynamics between them. So here, the left hand is just really super soft. A little louder. A little louder. A little softer. Now, medium soft. Go up. Retardando means slow down a little bit. And diminuendo means get softer. And you're still slowing down. Here at the end. It's a nice effect. I didn't get softer like I should have. You can continue and go all the way down to a very soft there in the last two measures. Speed-wise, it says gracefully, but they give you the metronome marking. That's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You hold that, and then all tempo means resume the tempo, the speed you were going before you changed, before you were holding back. Go back to what you were doing. Forth. That's my opinion of the speed. Get to know the piece and get to know so you're not thinking about notes and rhythms and all that, and you can start feeling this. I'd like to play it with you very slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do the dynamics. I'm not trying to perform it here. I just want to check notes and rhythms. So I'll give us 3 counts and let's play it together slowly. Now on the holding back part, I can't do that. A metronome won't hold back. So I got to keep the whole thing going at the same speed. So I can't slow down at the end or nothing. It just goes the same speed all the way through. So I'll give us 3 counts. 1, ready, and go, and 3, and 3, and 3, and 3, and hold 2 off.